Hey Rose, how you doing? Okay, I've got your work up here. I was reading your writing. Good job describing. Keep that up. It's really important for designers to be able to communicate their intent behind their designs and their development and approach. So keep that up. That's a good job right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ad. I think it's great. I love it. I think it's fantastic. Really nice work. I think the most remarkable thing here is the level of proficiency that you're showing as far as the learning outcomes and the objectives of the assignment and that. And I say that because the background image is it's adjusted beautifully, and the way that the masked image, the octopus, is. I think that's an octopus. Yeah, I was thinking the difference between an octopus and a squid, but that's definitely an octopus. So I think that the way that you've got this adjusted, it looks like it's ambient to the setting. I mean, it looks like it belongs there. The lighting and the tonal distributions are just beautiful, and I think that to me, to a very high degree, that is the success of this ad, is the way that you've treated the images. So fantastic job there. Type is placed beautifully. Logos placed beautifully. Good job. I only have a couple of comments I think that are really going to help, but let's go ahead and take a look. So I would recommend that we take this little octopus guy and just move it down a little bit. Move it down to right about here. Okay, because we want to kind of open up some negative space here to let that headline area kind of speak for itself. So I would definitely recommend doing that. Once you move that down a little bit, you're going to open up a little bit of room here. You can take the headline and bring it over and align it with your subhead right here. So that we're in alignment right there. Then we're going to take this copy right here and we're going to pull that over to align with that left margin, right? At that point, I would say, I think there's too much text. I think that you can condense these two paragraphs into one. I feel that the type size is a little too large for the size of the page. I would recommend reducing that type size. So again, combine these paragraphs, reduce the type size. Let's get some alignment going here. And then this bottom area is really, really cluttered. I would recommend this. I would not include that disclaimer. I don't think you need it. And then here for more information, you don't need that either. Just put the contact information. That's it. So it's going to be a very, very clean, crisp ad. I definitely think you got to move that down a little bit. So it's a little bit lower than the placement of the paragraph. Okay, my only other recommendation is to try to search for a different color for the subhead. Maybe even go with that purple. I think the black is just a little too stark. It's just advancing a little too much in the composition. So let's go ahead and get that set to that same color purple. Other than that, this is really a good job. So nice work. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify any of my comments. All right, great job. Thank you.